Hey everybody, Chris here at Island Diaz Distillery, your favorite bartender's favorite distillery. Spring is in the air and cocktails are on the mind. Which cocktails? All of them. All of the cocktails. So we came up with some great spring summer cocktails here. We're getting into that warm, sunny season, and it's time to make cocktails to fit the weather. We're doing a little play on a Gin Fizz today that we call the Pageant Star. So this is gonna be with our TS gin. And if you don't know a Gin Fizz, you're in for a treat. The classic's delicious. Our ramped up one is even better. We're gonna start with our shaker tin right there in the middle. And like I said, we're getting this Gin Fizz started with our TS London Dry style gin. So we're gonna do an ounce of that right into the shaker tin. There we go, just like that. And then for any Gin Fizz, we're gonna need some citrus. So I'm actually gonna do a combo. We're gonna go for an ounce of citrus. I'm gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon. And then I'm just gonna add a 1/4 ounce of lime too. I like the combo of the lemon lime together. I think it works really nice. A fizz is kind of like in the sour category, so we need some egg white. So I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of our egg white here. Full egg, if you're cracking them at home, is usually about an ounce. I like to pull mine back a little bit. Play around with it. Try 3/4 of an ounce, try a full ounce. If you work at a restaurant, kitchen usually has a lot of egg white that goes unclaimed. You can always score from them. So this one, for the summer, we are gonna add an ounce of passion fruit juice. There you go. Fresh muddled passion fruit might also be a really nice way to go if you've got the resources and the time. And then we're using a little bit of our hibiscus peppermint syrup here. So we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of that. There we go. See all these nice summer flavors coming into the cocktail, right? And then just to really give it pop, some of our wild Canadian plum bitters. So give it about 5 drops of that. Again, bitters, as you get into the summer, get yourself a couple fun flavors and play around with them. It's just like the spice rack. It's like salt and pepper. Put 5 drops, try your cocktail, put 10 drops. Try your cocktail, put 20 drops. So now we've got everything we've needed here. We've got our gin, we've got our citrus, we've got our egg white, we've got our flavors. So now it's time to shake. As we do with most egg white cocktails, we're gonna do a dry shake to start. The dry shake really starts to open up and aerate the egg and get it frothy before you put the ice in there, because the ice then starts to break it down. So if you froth it up first, you just give it more chance to really get that nice thick froth that you're going for with an egg white cocktail. And then we are going to cold shake on ice. While we're icing our cheater tin, we might as well also ice our Collins glass. So right to the top, nice and full. Well, you're probably thinking right now, most egg white cocktails, sours that you've ever had aren't on ice. Well, you're gonna see why this one is in a second. So give it that cold shake on ice. There we go. Oh yeah, you can see that. And then we are gonna double strain. So we have our Hawthorne strainer, and then we have another mesh strainer. Double strain over the ice. Look at that nice color. There you go. We're gonna leave a few inches of room at the top. If your measurements are too big, maybe you just made 2 cocktails. You're drinking with a friend, it's summer. And now we're gonna do some soda. Our friends at Fever Tree, pour that in there. Try not to have an eruption.
Hey, yep.
There we are. And now I like to do sometimes just one little, just to get the soda just right off the top. And you can see, right? You can see that nice foam right coating the spoon. That's that nice consistency we're going for with the egg white. Now we're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel, and there is the Pageant Star. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's summertime. If you like this video, you can follow the link below and see a lot more videos on our page of different cocktail ideas. And if you really like those ideas, then you can follow the link to our website and get the kits and all the ingredients you need at nickeldiedistillery.com. See you next time.